Hi, welcome back to the Watt Hour. Today, I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about something important for American Lithium Energy as we head into 2026, and that's our new product catalog. And more broadly, what ALE has to offer our customers, partners, and integrators going forward. I want to keep this discussion intentionally high level, not because we lack depth, but because the work we do and the customers we serve require discretion and qualification, as well as real time engineering conversations before details matter. So let's start with context. American Lithium Energy was founded nearly 2 decades ago with a very specific mission to design and manufacture advanced lithium-ion batteries for applications where failure is not an option. Over time, that mission hasn't changed, but the scale, scope, and maturity of what we offer absolutely has. Our 2026 product catalog reflects that evolution. At a high level, ALE is not a commodity battery company. We don't compete on lowest cost cells pulled from an autonomous supply chain, or better yet, an anonymous supply chain. We design, engineer, manufacture, and qualify battery cells and systems for demanding environments such as defense, aerospace, robotics, energy infrastructure, medical, and advanced industrial platforms. The catalog is structured to reflect that reality. First, cells formats. ALE offers multiple lithium ion cell architectures, including cylindrical cells, pouch cells, and prismatic style formats, depending on the applications. Rather than forcing customers into a single chemistry or geometry, we focus on fit for purpose design, energy optimized cells, power optimized cells, and safety optimized cells depending requirements. Second is safety and survivability. One of the defining characteristics that I talk about all the time of ALE's product line is safety. Our catalog highlights technologies like zero volt capability, internal thermal protection, and layered safety architectures designed to prevent thermal runaway, mitigate failure modes, and improve survivability during storage, transport, and operation. Now, this matters whether you're flying an aircraft or deploying autonomous systems or operating in extreme temperatures, or better yet, storing energy at scale. Safety is not an add-on at ALE. It's built into the cell from the start. And third is environmental and operational range. ALE cells are designed to operate across wide temperature envelopes under real-world stress, not ideal lab conditions. That includes cold start performance, elevated temperature operation, high rate discharge events, and long-term cycle stability. And our catalog intentionally does not overpromise. What we publish reflects what we can test, validate, and support. And fourth, systems and energy storage. Beyond individual cells, ALE supports energy storage systems at the module and system level. These solutions scale from smaller integrated platforms, think watt hours, all the way to larger energy storage configurations, think megawatt hours for infrastructure, charging, and grid adjacent application. Importantly, ALE just doesn't sell hardware, we support integration. And that includes battery engineering services, pack development, testing, qualification, and long-term manufacturing support. Many of our customers treat ALE as an extension of their engineering team, not just a supplier. That's something I'm really proud about. And fifth, made in the USA and supply chain integrity. This is increasingly important and a topic very important to me and it's one of my favorite topics to talk about. And it's front and center in the catalog. ALE is a US-based company and domestic manufacturer of battery cells and capabilities with traceability and compliance and processes that align with defense, aerospace, and regulated markets. For customers navigating NDAA requirements, export controls, or long-term supply assurance, this is not optional, it's foundational. Now, here's what the catalog is not. It's not a price list. It's not a one-click shopping experience, and it's not intended to replace real technical discussions. The 2026 ALA product catalog is a qualification tool. It's meant to give serious organizations a clear understanding of our capability envelope, our engineering philosophy, and the types of problems we solve. Before we sit down and design something together, it's important for you to know this. And if you're developing an electric aircraft or an unmanned system or robotics or energy storage platforms or even advanced electronics, and battery performance, safety, or supply chain integrity are mission critical to you, then reviewing the catalog is the logical first step. Now, we do provide the catalog upon request. In many cases, that includes a brief conversation to ensure alignment and protect sensitive information on both sides. That's intentional, and it's how serious programs should work. So, if you're interested in reviewing ALA's 2026 product catalog or exploring whether we're a fit for your application, you can reach out to our team directly through our website or via our sales contact. We're happy to engage, answer any high-level questions you may have, and determine next steps. And as always, our focus is long-term partnerships, not transactions. So thanks for spending the time with me on the Watt Hour. I'm William Hadala, and at American Lithium Energy, we're focused on electrifying Earth and beyond. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and have a great day. And as always, make it great.